England! England!
Thought it was quiet.
I bet she's over to the car now. She's a southern prick.
Yeah, we're just waiting for Nige.
Just waiting for fucking faff a lot.
Crack on, I'll catch you.
Here he goes.
Here he comes.
Another AA box, Steve.
Oh yeah. First AA box I've seen in Scotland.
Propped up with a fucking bit of wood.
Yeah, they need to look after it a bit better, don't they?
Great cafe, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was looking at the prices and the menu and that.
Oh no, it's so reasonable, isn't it? And a proper milky latte. What was it, $9.95 for a breakfast?
Yeah.
It was about £12.50 for the big one.
And that was with coffee and toast.
Clear.
Aye.
All clear.
Yeah, it's a lovely run through there, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I was going to say, and by the look of that up
And there's
through
more to
there,
come.
Big pothole on the right, yeah.
like the lakes, isn't it?
What a road. Yeah. Makes you feel like you're back in the lakes again, doesn't it? But bigger. So what's on offer food-wise tonight then, Nige? Have they emailed you?
No,
No.
I don't know what specials night is tonight.
No, that curry was nice last night.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Not so nice when it was coming out of you when we got home, but
I may even try the katsu one tonight. She says it. She said, "Are you looking for a good time, boys?" So we'll have one. Fuck off.